Hi there, how are you? Bill DeWeese here. I'm recording this video to ask you a really big favor. I need for you to help me to help you. As you probably are aware, I am very passionate about helping to equip, to inform, to educate, and inspire voiceover talent to be very successful within their careers. And I always think back in my first year getting launched as a voiceover talent. And I remember the frustration, and I remember that what seemed like countless hours researching, trying to find and to use the information and to experiment, try to figure out what would work. So again, part of my goal is to cut the learning curve and to get you ramped up and making money in this industry as quickly as possible. Now, to do that, I need to know what it is that will most benefit you. So my question for you, my request is that you take just a couple of minutes right now, if you would, and drop me an email at voiceoverexpert@gmail.com. Voiceoverexpert@gmail.com. In the subject line, write feedback. Just simply write feedback and I'll know exactly what it's for. And then just take a few minutes to let me know the kind of information that will help you to get to where you want to get as quickly as possible within your voiceover career. Are you in need of more information regarding the performance end of things? If so, what type of information? Is it on auditioning? Is it within specific niches? Is it in finding your niche? Does it have to do more with the business end of things, the marketing end of things, how to find clients, how to communicate with clients, how to make sure that you get paid on jobs? And I could go on and on and on. But what are the things that you feel that you really lack and where you could really use some coaching and some encouragement, again, to be able to accelerate as quickly as possible in your voiceover career? And not only content-wise, but also delivery style and method. Do you prefer one-on-one coaching? Would you like to see more group coaching programs? Do you prefer to receive your coaching via email or maybe in text or even an audio type format? So if you could let me know the kind of information that would be most helpful to you and in what format you would most benefit from receiving it, that would again help me as I look forward through the end of 2013 and into 2014 to put together the best, most effective and useful programs to help you move forward in your voiceover career. I would greatly appreciate it. Again, just take a couple, 2-3 minutes. It doesn't take any more time than that. Drop me an email at voiceoverexpert@gmail.com. And then the subject line, simply write feedback. And again, I thank you in advance, and I look forward to helping you in your voiceover career very soon.